Okay, this is outside of my bedroom window. There's a leaf, that's not a bug. And it's still going. I have no idea what time it is at the moment. You can kind of see the car over there. Alright. Can you see it? Right there. See right there. These trees right here. This one right here came up and hit that one. And they live right up there. So when they saw that happen to their car, they packed up their stuff and got into the other car and drove off. Dum da dum dum. And then the tree right here, if you could see over here where the root is, it pulled up the sidewalk. And then there's another tree, a third one, so it goes in between here. And so now really, you can see this one right here, it broke off. Poor thing. So I don't know who put out the tape, the warning tape, but that was kind of cool. So yeah, that's what's happening here. I'm a bit tired of it, really. But it's been great, because when I can check voicemails or anything, people have been calling, and it's just been really nice to see how many people actually care. So, alright, well that's it for right now. Oh, here's another gust of wind coming in. Well, we were having a dry spell. Not anymore. Yeah. It's been an amazing, amazing couple of days.